Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Shoe Covers is probably one of the most underrated accessories for any bowler. These simple yet effective covers can significantly extend the life of your bowling shoes and improve your game. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of bowling shoe covers, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect pair to protect your investment and enhance your performance on the lanes. Let's get started. Number 5. BowlingBall.com Premium Bowling Shoe Protector Covers. Are you tired of ruining your bowling shoes? This product is designed to protect them from moisture, gum, and food. It's a simple solution to keep your shoes in top condition. These covers are incredibly easy to slip on and off. They fit snugly over your shoes, and when you're done, they store easily inside your bowling bag. It's convenient and practical. Each package comes with 2 shoe protectors, one for each shoe. This ensures complete protection for your bowling footwear. You'll be ready to hit the lanes with confidence. For high-performance shoes, we recommend ordering one size larger. This will ensure a perfect fit and maximum protection. Make sure to choose the right size for your shoes. With these protectors, you can extend the life of your bowling shoes. They are a must-have accessory for any serious bowler. Get yours today and protect your investment. What we like. This cover is super easy to slip on and off, making it convenient for quick changes between games. It also stores easily in your bowling bag, saving space. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to protect your shoes from moisture and keep them in top condition, this is a great choice. What people say. The covers fit perfectly and are easy to put on and take off. They are made of a durable material that protects the soles of my bowling shoes. The covers have a good grip on the approach and don't slip. Number 4. Storm Bowling Shoes Black-Red Shoe Cover. This shoe cover is designed to protect your sliding sole. It keeps the shoe dry and free from water and debris. The cover is made to keep your shoe dry. This will help maintain the shoe's performance and longevity. Each package contains one shoe cover. It is available in 2 sizes to fit most bowlers. Regular sizes fit shoe sizes 6 to 11. Make sure you choose the right size for the best fit. Large sizes fit shoe sizes 11 to 14. This cover is made in China. This product is made in China. It's a great way to protect your bowling shoes. What we like. This cover is designed to keep your shoes dry and protected from debris, ensuring your sliding sole stays in top condition. The included sizing chart makes it easy to find the perfect fit. If you are looking for a reliable cover to protect your shoes from water and debris, this is the one for you. What people say. When I read previous reviews, I was a bit worried. I wear a size 13 shoe, and there were some who said the large shoe cover didn't even fit their size 12. Well, it did for me. It fits perfectly. A very good fit and excellent quality. For MKE it was easy to put on and take off. Number 3. KR Strikeforce Bowling Shoe Covers. Introducing the KR Strikeforce Bowling Shoe Covers. These covers are designed to protect your bowling shoes from any offensive elements, both inside and outside of the bowling center. They are sold in pairs. Made with Duraflex Ultra Stretch material, it's easy to put on and take off. The material is designed for convenience, so you can quickly protect your shoes before and after bowling. The covers feature waterproof soles, providing an extra layer of protection. This feature ensures that your shoes stay dry and protected from moisture. These covers are designed to fit most bowling shoes. They easily slip over your shoes, providing a snug and secure fit for most sizes. Each package includes a pair of covers. This ensures that both of your bowling shoes are protected, so you're ready to hit the lanes. What we like. This cover features Duraflex Ultra Stretch material, making it incredibly easy to put on and take off. The waterproof soles provide added protection. If you like the convenience of a cover that's quick to use and offers superior protection against the elements, you should consider this. What people say. Work really well. They keep my shoes clean and free of dirt and wet. Level of protection and everybody gets a little laugh at their purple fuzziness. Like the purple color and fit on my bowling shoes good. Easy to put on and remove. Number 2. Geyoga Bowling Shoe Covers, 2 PCS, black, large. These Geyoga bowling shoe covers are designed to keep your shoes clean and protected from various elements. They prevent stains, dirt, and extend the life of your bowling shoes. Make sure to check the size before you buy it. Made from quality polyester, these covers are built to last. They are sturdy and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring they won't easily break or fade. You can rely on them for long-term use. The covers increase friction, preventing slips and falls while you're bowling. This feature enhances your safety and provides a better sports experience. Enjoy your game with confidence. Each package contains one pair of bowling shoe protector covers. The dimensions are shown in the figure, so you can choose the right size. It's a convenient and practical accessory. These bowling accessories are great gifts for friends and family. Share them with loved ones on special occasions. They will appreciate this thoughtful and useful present. What we like. These covers are designed to keep your shoes clean and extend their lifespan. Made of durable polyester, they offer long-lasting protection. If you want to protect your investment and keep your shoes in great shape for longer, you should consider these. What people say. Will fit with his bowling shoes. So far, so good. Great snug fit. I like that these are easy to put on and take off. Keeps bowling shoes dry when going to the bar and the restroom. Number 1. KR Strikeforce Maui Women's Bowling Shoes. Introducing the KR Strikeforce Maui Bowling Shoes for Women. These lightweight athletic shoes are designed for comfort and performance on the lanes. They come in black plum and gray, with medium and wide widths available. Protect your bowling shoes with the Strikeforce Stay Dry Shoe Cover. This cover helps keep your shoes safe from moisture and debris, ensuring they stay in top condition. The Stay Dry shoe covers are sold in pairs, so you'll have a cover for each of your bowling shoes. This ensures complete protection and extends the life of your footwear. These covers protect your shoes from offensive elements. The high-quality vinyl construction and elastic top provide a secure fit and shield your shoes from the elements. The Stay Dry shoe covers are made with high-quality vinyl. This durable material is designed to withstand the rigors of the bowling alley, keeping your shoes safe and dry. What we like. This cover comes in pairs, ensuring you have complete protection for both shoes. The high-quality vinyl construction provides durability. If you are looking for a reliable and durable solution to protect your bowling shoes, this is a great option. What people say. Fantastic shoe covers. Work well with my shoes and keeps them dry. Easy to slip into. Size would fit several sizes of shoes. They are not slippery. They are very comfortable and lightweight. Loglis est bon et facile à mettre pour les aines. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.